I just love bringing you fabrics. I absolutely love bringing you fabrics. These fabrics are just so beautiful. And I just feel like beautiful fabrics are hard to find at great prices. So anyway, let's shoot. All of these are on sale. They're going to be lower today and tomorrow, and then they'll go back up a little bit in price. I'm going to bring them to you as low as I possibly can. These are viscose knits. There's a few of them here, and the viscose knits are all going to be $14.99. It's just an amazing price. They're beautiful. You can see this is a black, a brown, a milk, and it's got a striped panel in between. So it's panel, but it still sells by the yard. We're just going to do it by the yard. Has stretch in both directions. It's a viscose, great drape. It'd be a beautiful pant. Just a yoga pant would be beautiful. Very different, but also just a top. This next one is also a viscose knit, and I bought browns because browns are the biggest. You know, they're all over for spring. So great transition from right now to spring. Isn't that beautiful? Again, brown. Stretch in both directions, a viscose knit. Just beautiful. It's got, it's just a little tiny dot pattern. Brown is the background, and then it's got a little milk, and just a little dot of maybe an orange. No, it's not an orange, more of a red. Very pretty. Very pretty. Because it matches this red. This is a wool flannel. This is a kind of a red variegated. Isn't that beautiful? Don't have a lot of this, but again, great pricing on this. This would be great little wrap coat. Both sides are usable. Very, very nice. Very nice. Again, this is viscose, 100%, $14.99. Look at the colors. They're beautiful. They're just so pretty. The blues, the reds. So this whole group, blue and red. This is a dual border. I mean, it's reversible. It's got the border on both ends, but just to cut it up and put it all different directions because they're stretching both ways would just make all kinds of sense. This is a wool flannel, just really beautiful, thin, lovely piece of fabric. The color is incredible. It goes with all of these. The blues and the browns and the reds are just really beautiful together. Like I said, I just get so excited to bring you. Watch the pricing. The pricing is incredible. And then this is that gallo. I was talking about this Tuesday night that I found more and had more coming in, except this time it's way cheaper than what it was. It's 72 inches wide, so you don't need a lot. It has stretch in both directions. I made Megan's coat with it. I'll put a picture of that up. I took it. It was on the webcast Tuesday night, but this is just lovely. Absolutely lovely. The blue, I put the blue on the outside and then just put the stripe for the lapels. It just worked perfect. So there you have it, you guys. Enjoy the fabrics. I just love bringing them to you. The goal, of course, is happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.